Hello and welcome to the Hilton Grand Vacations Ocean 22 Myrtle Beach. Man, that's a mouthful. Obviously, we are on Ocean Boulevard. The ocean is on the other side of that building. 21st Avenue North is just down yonder at the Breakers Resort. Let's go in here and check out a room. I'll show you guys and gals what it's all about, what amenities they have, and what we think about the room itself. So let's go. All right, we are checked in. We've got our parking pass and our welcome pamphlet. So let's go park at the parking garage 2 blocks over and then come back to the building. The south parking lot, in order to park, you will be on the 3rd floor because the 1st floor is valet. And there's also parking for River City Cafe, which is right next to us. It's over there on 21st Avenue. So if you want to go to River City, you can park in this parking garage. That there, if we can look up, there it is, Hilton Grand Vacations. We are on the 21st floor of that building. So your walk is a little over a block from the parking garage to the hotel, so keep that in mind. Well, hello and welcome to room 2110 on the 21st floor of the Hilton 22. Let's walk through this. I'm not going to call it a room, it's more of a unit. It's got a kitchen, bathroom, bedroom. Well, you'll see as we walk through it. So let's skip the hallway. We're going to do this open space first. All right, as you can see, there is quite a bit of kitchen space here. Cabinets, drawers, oven, microwave, the whole shebang. Very interesting how there's a lot of space over here that's not really, I'd say usable, but you could put stuff over there. Yeah, pizza box, you're on vacation, you order pizza. Dishwasher, toaster, coffee machine, the usual stuff. A little quick kettle if you want some tea. I appreciate that. The drawers are going to be your usual stuff, I would assume. Yeah, just silverware. If you don't get plastic silverware with your takeout. Up here, I'm sure there's some cups, some bowls, some pots and pans, if you decide to use them. You got a full-size fridge, and it is on when we arrived. Some of these hotels leave the fridge and freezer either off or at a low setting to save power, but these are chilly and ready to go. Swinging over here, a small dining set, a lot of space and a small table. Some nice lighting and artwork. The living space itself, pull-out couch, ottoman with a tray, TV, the usual. And of course, the oceanfront view. Again, 21st floor, so we're pretty high up here. Looking to the left, you can see the curvature of the beach as you go north. Looking to the right, you can see both 14th Avenue and the 2nd Avenue Pier. I'm not brave enough to lean over the railing with my phone to see the sky wheel, but trust me, it's over there. You can kind of see it if you lean a little bit to the left. And below us is the amenities for this hotel. And a bunch of birds floating in the water. Can you see them? I don't know if the camera picks it up. On this balcony, you're gonna get 2 chairs, And a small little table, just big enough for a cup of coffee or a tea. Here's your view from this side of the room. Now let's make our way down the hallway and we'll check out the bathroom and the bedroom. Worth noting as I walk this way, the bedroom is in the back of the room, obviously back there. With that in mind, when you're laying in the bed, you will not hear the ocean and you won't get any sunlight. So all your lighting is artificial from your lamps. Seeing that the only window to this entire space is there, facing the water. So if you're not out in this living space, you are not getting natural light. So just keep that in mind if hearing the ocean while you're in bed is something you look forward to when you're staying oceanfront. This particular room is a oceanfront 1-bedroom suite. That is how they define it. There are other units that are multiple bedrooms that do have bedrooms that have an ocean view. So if you are getting one of those bigger units, maybe the oceanfront sleeping will be acquired. But if you get a 1-bedroom, this is the layout you're gonna get. Here's my first gripe. These barn door sliding bathroom situations are not my cup of tea. You probably heard me gripe about it in previous hotel videos, but they don't lock. So anyone who wants to be silly, or just, a kid who doesn't know any better, could just open that thing. At least with this one, unlike the last hotel we stayed at, there's not a gap here. You can't see through it. Well, kind of. If you breathe on it too hard, it might open. So with these kind of doors, just keep that in mind. Bathroom is spacious and has a good echo in it. Nothing too crazy here, just your standard sink. Not a lot of toiletries. Just some facial soap. Hey, body lotion. One of those cool modern mirrors where the light is embedded into the mirror itself. Shower is fairly large. One shower head, tiled, with your standard conditioner, shampoo, gel, and what's this over here? A bar soap as well. We'll call this the shower POV. All right. Exiting the bathroom. Bedroom's over there, but before you get to the bedroom and the main door, you do have a washer and a dryer in this closet. Oh, my bad. We'll just close that gently. And here is the bedroom. Again, it is dark, it is cavernous, no natural light. I'm not a big fan of this style floor plan, but it is affordable if you want a full kitchen. It's just something you got to deal with. Table on both sides. Got a wireless charger over here. And you got some beach artwork up on the wall. And a little heart pillow, or not pillow, heart towel. Swinging over here. Got some drawers for storage, a little mirror, and your standard hotel closet, automatic light. Right there. Now there's something about this room that is really strange. So here is an overview of the room, standing by the closet. Now earlier I mentioned that this is the end of the unit, so there is no natural light, no window here. So you're probably thinking to yourself, what in the heck's that thing in the back of the room if there's no windows? Oh boy, let me show you this. This is just weird. Okay, so open this curtain. Open this curtain. Looks like a window, right? That's right. It is a window to the hallway where someone is actively cleaning the floor. Why you would want a window to the hallway beats me, but there it is. So we're now in the hallway, and there's our window right there. And here's some more windows that lead into the hallway. It's not like they're operable for, fire protection, fire safety, anything like that. So I'm not sure why they're here. If one of you know why, please comment. Let me know what's going on. So we're gonna keep that closed because that's kind of creepy to have an open window straight to your bed. So yeah, that's gonna stay closed. In the bedroom, there is a smart TV, just like in the living space. So any app you want to use or screen sharing, yada, 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 smart TV. Here you go. Hilton, Grand Vacations Club. There's that timeshare stepping in there, so be aware when you're here, they might try to sell you a timeshare. It says a 10-minute walk to the convention center. I wouldn't recommend walking to the convention center from here. That's just me. That's my opinion as this paper tries to run away. Here's an overview of the amenities and the times that they are open. Marketplace, pantry, fitness center, pool bar, and sky bar. Sky bar on the second floor. And you do need a key card to access the room floors. That is kind of protocol nowadays, but just letting you know. And there you have it. That is the room here at the Oceans 22. And the view. For power savings, the AC will turn off if this door is left open. A neat effect of being so high up on the 21st floor is when you look out of the window at the balcony, it almost gives you the impression that you're on a cruise ship because all you see is balcony and water. That's a neat effect. pitch black.